Pop Steve's here, and today I'm mixing concrete. For starters, I'm going to need a stack of gravel. And I don't often use concrete because, quite frankly, concrete's a pain. We have to grab a stack of gravel and a stack of sand. Take these two stacks over to my crafting table. And I can now craft concrete powder. Now in this case, I'm using bone meal because I want to make white concrete. If you wanted a different color, you basically need yourself one of these flower farms. Check out my video. And you can produce as many flowers as you need. Build all the concrete. Concrete can be dyed any color. Okay. Also, 4 sand blocks and 4 gravel will make you 8 powdered concrete. Now we take our powdered concrete over to this riggins. This is using a system where a chest with items in it, there has to be something in it, and a block, the comparator could read that, send a signal through the repeater, and power this piston. So if I was to take my concrete powder, place it there, comparator reads it, sends a signal, powers the piston, pushes out of the way, and continues. Now, at the end here, we have the exact same system. I got a chest with some items in it. When a block gets in that last position, it'll send the signal through and power all the pistons that these blocks are on top of. Okay, let's see her in action. Okay, one more and boom, pushes. Pistons get powered, pushes the concrete blocks out of their way. So now we can continue. And we can go pretty quick. We should also note, in order to convert concrete powder into concrete, it has to go through water. I put 2 water sources beside it, just like it's symmetrical. We can also stack it because concrete powder is just like sand and gravel. It understands gravity. Now, I put a row of obsidian up there to stop this whenever it becomes full, giving me 40 concrete blocks. I have to manually mine them and take them all down, and why concrete is such a nuisance. One more row. As soon as I've removed that one block that cuts the power, made all these pistons go down. Row of obsidian here just so I don't go crazy with my pickaxe and start breaking things. Again, got to go through water source or beside a water source, and we can just continue. Pushing items through. It's kind of like one of those useless machines. You know, the one where there's a switch, and as soon as you press the switch, the arm comes up and turns off the switch. There you have it. My easy concrete mixing machine. It's Papa Steve's signing out.